So dear students, in this video, we are going to actually convert 12-hour clock timings to the 24 hours and vice versa. So let us start our exercise 10.4, right? First question says, change into 24-hour clock time. Change into 24-hour clock timing. The first part is 9:30 a.m. Now this is the Indian time. 9:30 a.m. is first round of our clock, right? So as described in the previous video, it will directly be represented as 09 is the hours and 30 minutes. You will remove the colon and the AM timings are written as they are. 0930 and the hour and the unit of the 24-hour clock is hours. Right? I will explain example by question by question so that it is very clear to you by the end. The B part is 11:55 a.m. As I just said in the previous question, the AM parts are supposed to be written as they are. This is equal to 11:55 hours. You remove the colon, write the hours and write the minutes. The C part, 12 noon. 12 noon is written as 12:00. I showed you in the video. 12:00 hours. The D part, children, it is 5:35 p.m. In the PM, it is the second round of the Indian clock. But in the 24-hour clock, the hours move from 12 to 13, 13 to 14 and so on. So, you just add 12 in the hours like this. So, you get 17, remove the colon, the minutes remain the same. The minutes remain the same. Right? Because first 12 hours, the right hand side AM part, the clock has already covered. After that, it has moved 5 more hours in the PM side. So 12 plus 5 is 17 hours. The E part, 6:45 PM. Again, first observe the unit, PM, the 12 hours round has all, the 24-hour clock has already covered half of the round. So 12 plus 6, 18 hours. Remove the colon, minutes are the same. Right? I hope you are understanding. Let's move on to the next part. F, 10:25 p.m. Now children, try to do it on your own. Stop the video, do it on your own, and now check your answer. At 12 to 10, you get 22:25 hours. So if your train is supposed to leave the station at 10:25 p.m., in your ticket it will be written 2225 hours. So you need to convert vice versa also. G, 8 p.m. And now you are experts, you know, you'll add 12 to it. It will be 20:00 hours. H part is 2:30 p.m. In the PM, we add 12 to the hours, 14:30 hours. I, 11:15 p.m. At 12, 23:15 hours. And the last one and the easiest is 12 midnight. Midnight is represented in two ways, 0000 hours, or if someone writes me 2400 hours, that's also perfectly correct. So children, do a lot of practice. I will be forwarding worksheet for the practice for the same as well. Now let us come to question number 2. That is to change the timings in the 12-hour clock. As I said, if I book an airplane for myself, the ticket is going to show me the 24-hour clock. How would I convert it into my own 12-hour clock so that I know that when exactly I have to reach the airport to take my flight? Let's see to it. A part, 0815 hours. This is the 24-hour clock. First you observe the number of hours. If it is less than 12, it is AM. And you write exactly breaking them into two parts each. 8:15 AM. First decide whether it is AM or PM, and then same write the hours and the minutes with a colon. Right? B question. I have 4 times 4 hours. As I told, two parts. How will you decide AM and PM? This is more than 12. So the timing is PM. Right? Now you subtract 12 from it. So it is 10:22 PM. Right? It is 10:22 PM. You have to subtract 10 from it to get the Indian time. This is the second round of our Indian clock. C part. We have 11:00 hours. Less than 12, it will be AM. Hours are 11, colon in the Indian clock, no minutes. 17:45 hours. More than 12, PM. Hours in the left side, colon, and minutes in the right side. After -12, not exactly in the same way. This is wrong. You have to subtract 12 from it. So you will get 5. Because it is more than 12. So take away 12 because that completes our one round of the Indian clock. So it is 5:45 PM. The E part, 08:30 hours. The hours are less than 12 AM. And exactly you will write as given to us, 8:30 AM. F, it is 01:23 hours. 01 less than 12. So 01 colon 23 AM. We are talking about early morning, after the midnight. So I hope children you have understood these steps. So let us move to the next part, G. The children who want to try, please hold this video here. Do the sums on your own and then check your answers. More than 12 PM, -12, 3, and no minutes, 3 PM. H part, 1909, more than 12 PM, -12, 7:09. I part, 00:00 hours. Yes, you all are intelligent. This is 12 midnight. We write it like this only, 12 midnight. And the last question for today, 1430 hours. More than 12 PM. Subtract 12 from the hours. You get 2 and colon and the minutes as it is, 2:30 PM. So I hope you have understood this nicely, children. Thank you for being a patient listener.